Froggy's driving? There it is. Where's that train? Hurry up. We gotta catch. Oh, here it is. Alright, we're gonna turn around and catch it. Huh? Okay, we're gonna turn around. We'll be right behind it. Let's go. Look at that. Go fast? I am. Right behind that train. Wave to the little boy. Wave. We're going fast. We're right behind the train. Train chasing. We going fast enough? Yeah? Look, we gotta catch up to that train. It's getting away. The train's getting away. Here we go. We got it. We're right there. Alright, we're gonna hit the turbo. You wanna hit the turbo? Where's Froggy? Froggy driving? They're going back to the station, right? Look at Froggy driving. Froggy's driving. Alright, here we go. Going back to the station. We gotta speed up a little bit. We're catching up to it. Beep your horn. Beep that horn. You steering? There you go. Is Froggy steering? Oh, it's in the station. It's in the station. You want to get out? Get out. Go easy. Got your new pair of pants. Whoa. All right. Okay. All right. You're going to ride on the train. We chased the train, now you want to ride on it? Okay. Say bye to everybody and we'll ride the train. Got your new pants and your My Little Pony shirt.
Just 1 minute.
1 minute, honey. Okay, say bye-bye to me. Look at me. Over here.
Bye-bye.
Say, what are you going to do?
Bye-bye.
Ride the train? Okay.